Hi guys, hope you're well and thank you very much for coming back and watching another video on PPC Kingdom. Today is gonna be a little bit different, as probably every digital marketer and any paid media marketer, I have a passion for technology. So every now and then I'm going to review something on this channel about it. In detail, today we're going to unpack and review the new camera I bought to improve the resolution of the videos on the channel. And I'm talking about the GoPro Hero 10 Black. Welcome to PPC Kingdom, let's start. So guys, I bought this camera directly on the GoPro website during the Black Friday discount. Package is like just carton, just a thin carton. So when you open it, it looks like this. Alright, here we go. Well, this looks much cooler than the initial package. So yeah, this is it, and this is it, and this is it. That's kind of cool. So it comes in this kind of nice box, and inside there is the subscription, possibly some quick instruction, a couple of stickers, some proper instructions, and this box is really cool. It's very essential. There isn't very much inside. There is a cable which is possibly the charging cable, and this must be the stuff to put the camera on some helmets or something like that. Guys, I'm not an expert at all about cameras, and this must be possibly the battery. Yeah, this is definitely the battery, and this must be still part of the component I was talking about before. And the camera itself is this, which I honestly though was bigger. I'm not saying it's a bad thing, to be honest. So if you open it, that's pretty cool. There's a massive button here on the top, and yeah, there's the lens here. This one should be the screen in front. I had seen it on the website, and this is a nice big screen at the back. Now honestly, it feels nice, it feels sturdy, it's quite heavy. I mean, not in a bad way. I mean, it's solid, it's heavy, kind of solid. And below there are possibly all the stuff to fix it to all the things. I like it. I really like it. As I said, I also bought the SD card, which you need, is compulsory, 128 gig. I also bought the handler. In my spare time, I like snowboarding, so I was thinking that was a good idea to buy something like this, so I can do a little bit of videos. And this is it, guys. So yeah, good impression, especially about the camera. Looks solid, it's not too heavy. Probably if you put it on your helmet you don't even notice it. Looks like a cool product. I'm happy that I bought it. And thank you very much for watching the video, guys. Take care.